All right, so we're back now adding in these elements into our web page. So place this banner into block A, into block B. We're going to put the balloon in there and so forth. So I'm going to go in to my web page. I'm going to go back into design view. In this section here, that's part A. I'm going to insert the banner, so insert image. I'm going to find that image from my folder. So there we go. I've inserted it. It's actually really large. Okay, I am going to resize it. Okay, it's not a problem for me right now. In this one here, I was meant to put the one of the balloon, but what I haven't done here is I actually forgot earlier is I need to merge these to make it one column. So I'm going to right click table, merge cells, and now in this cell here, I'm going to insert an image, and it's going to be the balloon image that I edited, which is this one. So I'm going to press OK, and then I've got that image in there. And again, I'm just going to just zoom in out a little bit so we can see. I'm just going to resize that image a little bit if necessary. Just hover over correctly. If, like me, your mouse is being a little bit difficult right now, what you can do is you can go into code view. Here you've got the width of these images and the height of them, so you can adjust that. So I might go in and actually say, no, the width needs to be 200 and the height needs to actually be 500, and the height here so the width for this one needs to be 600, and the height we're fine with. So go back into design view, you can see that's been adjusted nicely. I'll just zoom back in so we can see it better. Next, it says we need a video tag to insert the balloon MP4. So we're going to go and have a look at doing that. So I'm going to go back into my document here. I'm just going to double check in this sheet. The video said it needed to be in C. So again, C is just underneath the banner. So just make sure I'm in the correct cell, which is this one here. Insert HTML video. And then when I'm clicked on the video, I will get this properties menu down here. I need to give the source for it. So click on this. There's the video. Press OK. That should have the video in there. We just need to check if there are any other requirements for that. So for that one, they have said that it needs to fit the width of the cell, display an automated text-based error if the browser does not support this type of video. So I've gone in, I've added that in. What we can do is we can go in and do some coding now. So if I click here, go into code view, we can see that I've added in my video. I've got it as this file type, I've got it here. Just underneath this line here, just directly underneath, I'm going to give its error message. So for example, your browser does not support this video file type. And then it wants it to fit 100% of the column size. Okay, so I'm just going to actually take this down a line, just put that this way, and we can go in and we can edit this as well. So we can say width, if I can spell it correctly, width equals, and then open up my quotation marks, 100%, close my quotation marks, and allow that. So this will just fit it within the window. So go back to my design view, you can see that it fits in 100% of the width of that row. After that, it says enter the image Serengeti in E, and then in F they want Masai. So we'll go in and do that. So insert image, they wanted Serengeti. Just going to resize it again, and then just clicking into this cell here, insert image, it was Masai. that in there, and again just resize. You just want to resize and readjust as you're going along, and we're going to set the percentages like I said later on. So if we just have a look at our tasks there, we've now put all of this in